around the block if you were to call the forest a block. But if you want to see me again, I basically click it on here. Let's have a look. And I'm back to vlogging and I can see myself again, which is nice. I'm holding it on the DJI Action selfie stick. And yeah, I really like it. Oh, by the way, the things on here.
100% stocks. So that's a big step for me. Baby steps, right? A few days after.
Yun yung Pro may dala-dala. Yan ang ating panahon ngayon, mid-November. Ano na ngayon? December 5 na pala. November pa rin nasa isip ko eh. Ayan. So ay, magandang umaga, tanghali. Yan ano tayo no, na pagsabihan tayo dun sa gym na nakalagay kasi to eh. Tapos nakita ata ng mga sensitive yung mga puti, kaya kala nila eh kinukuha mo agad sila kahit naka-off naman yung wala namang camera. So yeah, there's nagsumbong dun sa staff. Yung staff nilapitan ako. Tapos sinabi, yun, may nagsabi nga daw na may camera daw na ako na hawak-hawak o ano no. Ito ata yun eh, yung clip. Wala namang camera, but they think na camera siguro, kaya and I think I have this one right in here but it was off, right? So yun, pagka kayo nag-vlog, yun, ingat-ingat lang. So yeah, so you have to turn on the vision dock and then the actual camera button. And meron tayong I think this is the PC Mastercard. Tingnan natin yung basura. Okay na, wala, hindi atang wala atang ngayon, walang blue bin. Kuha lang, snow na, so it could be somewhere warm. Yan, mag-retire early. Meron tayong appointment sa massage therapy mamaya. Yung bagong RMT. So subukan natin, tapos paalam natin kay Esme kung gusto niya. Meron siyang sa trabaho niya, pag-claim din siya ng WCB dahil tamaan na siya ng pasyente nila dito sa ulo. So sabi ng nurse, claim daw siya ng WCB, may claim number na siya. So we'll see from there. So, pero ulit lang ata yung kita nun. Lakas ng snow. Ito tayo sa appointment natin doon sa massage therapy. Tapos sauli natin yung hiniram natin book sa library. Tapos mamaya i-auto renew ko itong renewal, siguro 1 month lang. So mawala tayo ng isang buwan, buong January dito. Yan, ito tayo ng library muna. Drop off natin yung hiniram natin. 3 weeks ang binibigay sa'yo. Parang kalahati lang ng isang book na nabasa ko. Hindi ko malaman kung bakit yung ibang cars dito, truck, walang daylight. Ayun nga ang para visibility yun eh, daylight light habang mag-ano ka, nagdadrive ka, nakikita mo kung sino yan, wala. Naka yung fog lights mo. Sa Ontario, alam ko, you have to have it. Otherwise, you get a ticket. Ito sa BC, parang optional lahat. Ito sa mga bagong cars, standard na yun. Kailangan meron. Pero certain years ng car, you can use it na walang daylight habang nag-drive. Drop off natin dito. Parang hindi niya push lahat eh. Yan, dito tayo sa PG Gateway, bagong building. Ang ganda yung ano nila dito. Yan tayo sa baba. Project Holistic Therapy. Yan, natapos na tayo ng massage. Tamang-tama. On the dot. 3 o'clock. 2 to 3. Mas marami pa yung interview din sa una eh. Tapos parang sabi ko mas yung pressure mas malalim. Yeah, parang hindi masyadong parang haplos lang din. But yeah, it's good yung na-target naman niya yung mga kailangang targetin yung mga spot. Tayo ng superstore sa insurance. I'm debating kung kukuha lang ako ng isang buwan kasi hindi ko na magagamit ng January to. So I'm gonna find out and see if they're gonna let me just register for one month until December 31st. Yeah, the advantage is having the yung viewfinder separate, and then you can put this the camera, anywhere. I think it's up to, I'm not sure how long yung gaano kalayo ang camera sa vision dock, but you can definitely I heard you can put it like in a different room, something like that, or outside of the windshield, and then if you have a mic, then that's the time you can use the mic. But I'm using the internal mic at the moment, so how does it sound? Yeah, so I'm kind of liking it because it's really light. Yung meron akong GoPro and the DJI Action 5 Pro, and it's a little bit heavy, right? So I'm kind of liking it. It's really light. Meron daw Osmo Action 2 lumabas 2021, but it says just a square, right? It's small. This one's a little bit better in 10 bit sa image quality, video quality. So it's like sensor ng Osmo Action 5 Pro. So but Action 5 Pro, it's got a removable battery. This one doesn't have it, but it's got fast charging, right? So pagka yung naka connect yung vision dock, it's charging the camera, right? So you can also renew online if you're using the credit card, tsaka kung wala kang changes na biglang ano. But since customize yung changes, yun ano ko, mag-request lang ako ng 1 month. So biglang namatay nung, I guess kasi may top din ito na i-on mo ng top, baka kala niya sinashutdown ko ng top, maybe. I'm still learning the ins and outs. Dinadala ko ito tapos para alam nyo rin kung maganda sa inyo to. Nandito tayo. Yan, chaotic. Ay, sa superstore. Madulas. Naku. May nag-alarm pa dun. And kailangan nating i-upload yung binayaran namin sa 3 months. 3 months, bali almost $200 per month yung sa 2025 na Honda CR-V. Fully covered. Yan, kahit may discount na. Yeah. Okay. So yun, no, hindi tayo nakapag-renew ng just 1 month. Pero ang sabi ng representative doon, so minimum is 3 months. So nagbayad tayo ng almost 600 for 3 months kasi business insurance at saka fully coverage. So sabi niya, pagka December 31st kunwari last day, you have to surrender your plates, and then you have to buy it again when the time comes na pagbalik mo. So I'm gonna get a refund. So that's what I'm gonna do, I think. So yeah, and then we'll just grab another plates para sayang yung almost $400. 200 sa isang buwan sayang na hindi magagamit. So I'm not gonna let that slide. Yun lang. So insurance dito patas na ng patas, no? Kagaya din ng mga grocery bills. So tapos yung mga taxes din tumataas, and the government is spending, sinasabi lang investment, but it's actually spending, deficit loan. So yung nagtatrabaho ka, nakikita mo yung tax na nababawasan, but wala namang mabalik na benefit sa tax. So sinasabi nila yung free healthcare and everything, but what if you're not using it at all because you're still healthy, right? So yun, daming sa mga Stellantis, yung mga 1,000 jobs sa Algoma, sa steel company, sa lumber, lahat apektuhan. But yeah, we'll just see how it goes. Hopefully we prepare for the incoming 2026, and hopefully it'll be a better year. So but sabi ng studies is gonna be another extra $1,000 for each family of 4. So yun, tataas na naman ng prices ng food. Ayan, have a good one. Peace.